Hello, I welcome you all to your own channel MSK Learnium. Now once again we came with the new problems. The problem is on the screen that obtain the differential equation of the family of ellipse whose axis coincides with the coordinate axis and the center is at the origin. So now what is that? We have to form the differential equation of a family of ellipse. So first of all we need to understand that what is the equation of an ellipse whose axis is coincide with the coordinate axis and the center is at the origin. So whenever that ellipse we have to draw, that in this case the ellipse we will draw whose center center is at the origin. So this is the origin and here the center of the ellipse will be lying, right? And then axes are whose axis coincide with the coordinate axis. So this is how we will get the family of ellipse, right? These are the family of ellipse, right? So one more we can draw. This is the ellipse we get. So now we can say the equation of family of ellipse whose axis coincide with the axis of coordinate and the center is at the origin is like this. So here we have a solution, right? So now we have the equation of family of ellipse whose axis coincides with the center of axis of coordinate and the center is at origin. Right? Then the equation is in the form that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse, right? Whose center is at the origin and the axis are coincide with the axis of coordinate. Axis of coordinate means what? That x axis and y axis. So x and y, a and b are the constant, you can say arbitrary constant, right? So from this equation we have to generate the differential equation. So for that what we will do, that we can differentiate the above equation with respect to x. So we can say this is the equation 1, right? So now differentiate the above equation with respect to x, right? So when we differentiate the above equation with respect to x, we will get that x square differentiation is 2x by constant will be same a square plus y square differentiation with respect to x is 2y into dy by dx square, right? Dy by dx, and b square is as it is it or not? One differentiation is 0 as it is the constant. So this is we got. Now again we can simplify this. So you can write like this, that is 2x by a square is equal to minus 2y by b square into dy by dx. Is it or not? 2 will get cancelled. So on simplification, when you rearrange this equation, so this equation will become y by x, right, into dy by dx is equal to minus b square by a square. So on rearranging this equation, the above equation will be in this form. Now again we can differentiate this equation with respect to the x. So now we can say that again differentiate the above equation equation with respect to x, right? So when we differentiate this, for differentiating we can use the UV rule, this as a u and this as a v. So when you differentiate, that differentiation will be y by x. Let's leave the y by x as it is and differentiate this. So this will be double differentiation ds square y by dx square. Now leave the dy by dx and differentiate this. So here, while differentiating this one individually, we'll use the u by v rule, right? So plus you have that is dy by dx is as it is, right? And y by x differentiation is, that is u by v rule will apply, x square, okay, leave the x. So this is differentiation is by dy by dx minus leave the y and differentiate the x. So it is y, right, is equal to b by a square. It means it is constant, we will get 0, right? Now, so on simplification, further when you simplify this equation, so what is that? The here you can see this equation will become dy by dx, x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx by x square, right? And this term is as it is. So x square we can get common. When you get x square as a common, x will multiply here, right? So the equation will become, that is xy into d square y by dx square, right, plus this dy by dx will multiply with the numerator terms. So this equation will become x into dy by dx whole square minus y into dy by dx minus y into dy by dx is equal to 0, right? So this is how, this is the required differential equation of the given ellipse, right? So this is your differential equation of the ellipse whose axes are coincide with the coordinate and the center is at the origin. Thank you.